It's easy to create an OSMA website account. From the OSMA homepage, click on the Membership tab and choose New Member. Here you can learn about all the benefits of being an OSMA member. From our educational programs, to our business meetings, to our working groups. You can even learn more about our fellow and strategic partner programs. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the button to sign up as a new member. In the sign-up form, choose your username and password and enter your company email address. Next, scroll down to choose your company from the list of members and complete your application. Once you click Submit, OSMA will receive your application and process it for review. To access your new member account, navigate to Member Access and log in using your chosen username and password. On the My Account page, you can see information such as our member list, org chart, and events. Under Previous Events, you can access the executive summaries and presentations from previous quarterly meetings.
Choose Upcoming Events and you will see the newest OSMA meeting, the free virtual summer series taking place the last 2 weeks in July.
If you have any questions or run into any problems setting up your account, please reach out to feedback@osma.net.